Now we have different kinds of angles. So we have what we call a right angle, which looks like an L, and usually it has a little square in there to show you that it's a right angle. It can be this way, it can be this way, any way that you want to turn it. But it'll be where you can slip a sheet of paper in there and make your L, and then you would know that it is a right angle. So if you do not have a protractor, you can take the edge of your piece of paper, slip it right into there, and if it makes your L, then you have a right angle. Don't have to have a protractor to do that, okay? Now there's other type of angles. If I take this right angle and I go this way with it and I lay it down flat, I no longer have a right angle. I have a straight angle. Okay? So your straight angle looks like a straight line. Your right angle looks like some type of L. Now, angles have degrees of measurement, and that's the way that you can tell what size it is. It helps you draw them. It helps you on a protractor learn how to measure your angles, and all of that you'll be using for the rest of your school years, and you'll be loving it once we learn how to use a protractor. So I just want to talk to you about the degrees of angles. So the right angle is always 90 degrees. Well, if this half is 90, then this half is 90 because a straight angle is 180 degrees. All right? So you have a 90-degree right angle. If I put two of them together and take out the middle line, you have a straight angle, which is 180 degrees. All right? And then we have some other angles in between. We have what we call an acute, A-C-U-T-E. That's just a cute little angle. A cute little angle. That's a good way to remember it. It's going to be smaller than the 90-degree L. Smaller than the 90-degree straight angle. So anything that is smaller than your corner of a piece of paper, say you have an angle that is like this, it's going to be called an acute angle. And this angle here is going to be called an acute angle. Okay? Now both of these angles together have to add up to be how much? 90-degree right angle, I hope you said. So if this one is 60 degrees, then this one has to be 30 degrees because the whole total of a right angle is 90 degrees. So on a protractor, when you measure it out, that's what you'll get. But any angle that's smaller than the L, littler than the L, narrower, is called an acute angle. So even without a protractor, if it goes in from your sheet of paper, the corner of your sheet of paper, then it's acute. So if we don't have our protractors right now, we can still name what the angle is. We may just not know the precise measurement, but we can look at it and tell what it is based on that corner of a sheet of paper. Now, the opposite of acute is fat, big and fat, and that would be obtuse. So obtuse is O-B-U-S-E. Oh, nope, my bad. O-B-T-U-S-E. I'm trying to think of everything that I'm teaching, so I'm getting ahead of myself. Anyhow, an obtuse angle is an angle bigger than what? I heard somebody say 90 degrees out there. So it is bigger than 90 degrees. So if this is a 90-degree angle, obtuse would be an angle like that or an angle like that. So this would be obtuse. Or if I get rid of this line, this would be obtuse. Now don't forget, if it's a straight line, it would be called, oh my goodness, my spelling today, guys. I'm so sorry. I cannot spell this word to save my life. Only Jesus was perfect, right? It's okay to make mistakes. So anyway, that is the difference between an acute, cute little angle, and an obtuse, a fatter angle. Just in a nutshell, based on having a piece of paper without having a protractor. If you have a protractor, you'll be able to do some different measurements, and I will send you the link on how to use the protractor. I did have some outside of the school, but we are no longer able to go up to the school, so as soon as we can, I will put them out for y'all to use as well. But hopefully you'll have one. If anybody is out picking up groceries or anything, they have them at the grocery store. They also have them at a dollar store. I think they're 2 for $1. But they're just a little plastic protractor. And it looks like that, with all kinds of measurements up to 180 and 180. So that is our brief lesson on obtuse and straight and right and acute angles. And I hope it helps. I'll also send you links to Math Antics. They do a great job with that. And just look on RenWeb to find out what work I need you to do. And also, when you look in the workbook, the gray boxes up at the top, or use them as your little cheat sheet. They kind of tell you, you know, some of the things that I'm telling you as well. So don't sweat about it. Angles are a lot of fun. I miss you guys. Wish we could do this in person, but hopefully we'll be back to school soon. Love y'all. Bye.